Psalm 144, a psalm of David. Blessed be the Lord my strength, which teaches my hands to war and my fingers to fight. My goodness and my fortress, my high tower and my deliverer, my shield and he in whom I trust, who subdues my people under me. Lord, what is man that you take knowledge of him, or the Son of Man that you make account of him? Man is like to vanity, his days are as a shadow that passes away. Bow your heavens, O Lord, and come down. Touch the mountains, and they shall smoke. Cast forth lightning, and scatter them. Shoot out your arrows, and destroy them. Send your hand from above. Rid me and deliver me out of great waters, from the hand of strange children, whose mouth speak vanity, and their right hand is a right hand of falsehood. I will sing a new song unto you, O God. Upon a psaltery and an instrument of 10 strings will I sing praises unto you. It is he that gives salvation unto kings, who delivers David his servant from the hurtful sword. Rid me and deliver me from the hand of strange children, whose mouth speaks vanity, and their right hand is a right hand of falsehood. That our sons may be as plants grown up in their youth, that our daughters may be as cornerstones, polished after the similitude of a palace. That our garners may be full, affording all manner of store, that our sheep may bring forth thousands and 10,000s in our streets, that our oxen may be strong to labor, that there be no breaking in nor going out, that there be no complaining in our streets. Happy is that people that is in such a case. Yes, happy is that people whose God is the Lord.